Welcome to Seven Trumpets Prepper. And guys, I thought this day would never arrive. It's been since, May of 2012, I believe, is when I started this YouTube channel. I'll have to double check on that. But it has been 13 or 14 years, I believe, this channel has been running. Time has swiftly passed by and I have lost track. But I want to say to each and every one of you, it has been an honor and a privilege. And to those that I've not yet met and got to enjoy my content on here that's been produced, I want to thank each and every one of you, past, present, and future to come, for the support of this YouTube channel over the years. Whether that was just a like button, financially, a comment, a share, or coming on and being part of the content that's on here that through the show that I do now, or prior content. It has been such an honor and privilege to be with you, and I know we are living in some definitely perilous times. We're watching the prophetic end times spoken of in the book of Revelation playing out right before our very eyes. And to be able to be here with you and to share the content that I share and speak with you, it is such a privilege. And I can't thank you enough. And with that said, guys, I wanted to share with you that because of your support over the years, I have finally made it to the silver play button for YouTube. I'm going to take my fancy dagger here and cut this open. And I figured what would be great would be for all of us to share this together. Cut that. All right, I think I've got all this cut now. All right, so here we go. All right, yous ready? We're doing this together. So I've got protective foam. And let me see, this says society. It says, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We're honored to take part in recognition your achievement. This award was inspected, blah, blah, blah. Okay, this is from YouTube. Says, do you remember your first subscriber or your 1,000th subscriber? Chances are you do, and we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed, and their numbers increased because of you and the community you built. We're proud to honor you your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, as we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, you may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? Yours sincerely, Neil Mohan, YouTube CEO. Pretty cool. And let's see, let's get this award out here. And let's see what we got. Oh, this is very nice. And there it is, guys. I appreciate you. Says, presented to Seven Trumpets Prepper for passing 100,000 subscribers. Love each and every one of you. This would not be able to go on my wall without you. And I'll have to find a place of honor. I don't know. We may be able to sneak it up. Sneak it up right there. Look at that. Can we see that? Here, let me shine that around there. Look at there. Got the play button, a new home right there beside my sweet, wonderful wife. So I'll put that right there. I love it. And guys, I just want to say thank you. And let's hope that as these days progress and as times continue to pass by, that we will still be able to be here together, and I will be able to share content with you that will help hopefully prepare you for the days and years ahead that is going to come before us, because I know it's going to be an interesting world ahead of us. So guys, as always, till we see you again here at Seven Trumpets Prayer Channel, I hope the Most High Yah Baruch you and keep you, make his face shine upon you, show you favor, and give you shalom, my friends, in Yahushua name.